Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Hi friends, this is a 43-inch Sony LED TV. It's an Android TV. Here the complaint is double image and vertical bars on display. Here you can see vertical lines and double image on the screen. This is mainly because of internal shorting inside the panel, either from the left side or the right side of the panel. As I said earlier, this is mainly because of the gate signals are short either from the left side or right side of the panel. If both sides are short inside the glass panel, then the panel is not repairable. In that case, we need to replace the panel. So, if both sides are short inside the panel, then it's not repairable. In that case, we might replace the panel with a new one. Here you can see the double image and vertical lines only when the picture comes. It's a 43-inch Sony LED TV. So let's start the repairing. Here you can see the model number of the TV, 43X8000D. It is the model number of the TV. So let's remove the back cover. Now we removed the back cover. This is the power supply board. Here you can see the motherboard. This is the motherboard of the TV. Here you can see the panel model number. It's a 43-inch AEO panel. Here you can see the panel model number. It's a 43-inch AEO panel used in this TV. This is the T-con board. So let's remove its cover. Now we remove the T-con board cover. Here you can see the AEO logo. There are two FFC cables are there. One is for left side of the panel and other is for right side of the panel. Here I am showing is the gate signal tracks. Here these are the gate signal tracks in the right side. So the problem may with the either the right side or the left side of the gate signal. So now let's confirm the complaint in which side. For that, let's remove the left side FFC cable first and check the image is okay or not. Now we remove the left side FFC cable from the T-con board. Now let's turn on the TV and check the picture is okay or not. Now let's turn on the TV and check the picture. Now the TV is turned on. Now let's check the picture. Here you can see in the right side it shows double image and vertical bars. So it means that most probably here you can see the double image lines on the right side. So the complaint may be with the right side. So now let's check the left side is okay or not by reconnecting the left side FFC cable and removing FFC cable from the right side of the T-con board. Now we remove the FFC cable from the right side of the T-con board. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. See, now the half of the image is okay and we confirmed that the complaint is with the right side of the panel. So the complaint side, the defective side is the right side. Here you can see the image is correct and there is no double image or vertical bars on the screen. So now let's start the repair. Here, so there are two methods to repair because it's a AEO panel. So we can there are two types of method we can use. One method is taping method and the other method is Levelshifter IC modification. Levelshifter IC modification we have seen in our previous videos of repairing AEO panels. In that we use in LC1, LC2, vgh Vgl voltage bypassing method we use to repair. So first here we are going to try the taping method first. So using taping method we need to prevent the gate signals entering to the panel. The taping method is a simple method. It is used to using this method we can easily prevent the gate signals entering to the panel. So now we applied the tape. See, here you can see the mark lines. We need to mark the last 12 lines as shown in the video. Now we successfully blocked the gate signals using the taping method. Now let's connect the FFC cable back to the T-con board. Here you need to block the last 12 signals as shown in the video. Now we connected the FFC cable to the T-con board. Now let's turn on the TV and check the picture is okay or not. So now the TV is powered on. Now let's check the picture. See, now the picture is okay. There is no double image and vertical bars on the screen. Here you can see that now the complaint is solved and now the TV is working perfectly. So we successfully completed our repairing process for solving double image and vertical bars on this TV. One important thing is that this is a temporary solution only. The permanent solution is replacing the panel. This method will work until now the TV works on the this method will work until the left side gate signal is short. If both sides of the sides are short, then it's not repairable. So we cannot predict how long it will run. Usually we get 3 months to 4 years in some cases. So anyway, now we removed the gate signal shorting from the right side and the TV is working fine now. If the gate signal is in the left side of the TV will get shorted, then the complaint will repeat again. So in that case, as I said earlier, in that time it is not repairable. For that case, we need to replace the panel with a new one. You can see the marked portions. We need to block the last 12 signals as shown in the video for blocking gate signals from the right side. Now let's put the back cover and screws back to the TV. Finally, now all settings are done. Now the TV is working fine. The TV is checked more than 3 hours. Now the TV is working fine and doesn't show any double image or vertical bars on the screen. So till at this time the TV is working okay. Perfectly we solved the issue. So friends, if you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Now we successfully solved the double image and vertical bars. See you in next video with another interesting topics. Till that time, see you. Bye. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching.